Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and today we are discussing how to reject a person without hurting them. This video is brief and I'm going to be very honest with you on this one. No running around the bush. There is no better way to reject someone. There is no way you can reject someone and reject them nicely. Rejection is rejection. If there is no acceptance, there will be no rejection. They are two opposites. So acceptance gives joy and rejection should bring sadness. It depends on how the person that you rejected handles it. But there are still, a little bit of mild, nice ways you can do it to make the burden a little bit light. But at the end of the day, there is no best way to reject someone and they will still feel over the moon. So just know that rejection is rejection and it will still give them sadness. But it depends on how you do it. Should I be practical? Let's say someone really likes you. I've been liking you for a very long time, and the person mustered up courage to tell you that they like you and they would want to go out with you. But you don't really like them in that manner in return. And you can't force yourself to like them in that way. Because you want to pity them and make them happy, accept them. So, in other words, you're rejecting them, because if you don't reject them, that means you have to date them out of pity. And then you're doing yourself, you're sacrificing your own joy and happiness to make someone else happy. But the worst way you can reject someone is to lead them on, because you're afraid they will feel sad when you reject them. So you feel like playing dumb, and today you are close and lovey-dovey with them, the next day you're withdrawing from them because maybe you feel like you're getting too acquainted. I think if you're rejecting someone, you should do it as soon as possible so that they'll get it over with. Rejection is rejection and it should feel a bit sad, but you're not supposed to do it in a cruel manner. So it depends on how you do it. Will reduce the level of sadness for them. But one thing you're taking out of this video is that there's no way you reject someone that will be nice. So the topic of the video: how do you reject someone nicely? There's no such thing as rejecting someone nicely when you reject them and they'll still feel over the moon. Because when they were coming to you and they want to date you or marry you, they are over the moon and they are hoping that you accept them, and it will give them the joy they want to get out of it. Once you say no, they're going to feel hurt, even when some of them might feel okay with it in front of you. But when they go back to their own space, they're going to let out that sadness out of them, or look for something to make them feel a little bit better. Some people can get over it easily. And that is it for this video. If you have any suggestions or anything to say regarding this topic, if you know a better way to reject someone and make them still feel nice, please leave it down there below for me in the comment section. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.